Hello and welcome friends to our YouTube channel. This is a part of digital marketing series, and in case you've missed the previous videos of this series, you can watch them by clicking I button appearing at top right corner of this video. So let's jump into the our video topic, which is what is SEO in digital marketing. SEO, which is also known as search engine optimization, is the process of improving the ranking of a website or a landing page in search engines. Unpaid result, obviously, in other words, it is the process of optimizing a website in order to make it rank higher in search engine result page and attract more organic traffic. There are several factors that can impact a website's ranking in the search result. These include the quality and relevance of the website content, the structure and organization of the website's page, and the presence of the keywords in the website's content and metadata, and also the website's performance and user experience. SEO professionals use a variety of tactics and techniques to improve a website's ranking in the search result. These may include conducting keyword research, organizing the website's content and metadata, building high quality backlink from another website, and improving the website's technical performance and user experience. The goal of SEO is to increase the quality and quantity of traffic to a website from the search engine, ultimately landing to more sales and conversion for your businesses. By optimizing a website for search, business can improve their visibility and attract more potential customer to their product or services. So that's it, guys. This is what SEO is. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Comment down below your suggestions, and don't forget to sub this channel for amazing videos. Thank you.